Hi everyone, I'm gonna be making another snack today using my good old food processor. This one's a little healthier. So what do you need? You need dates. You need nuts. The actual recipe calls for cashews and almonds. I'm just using this hearty mixed nuts bag, coconut, chia seeds, and an orange. So let's give it a try. First, you're gonna add 7 to 8 dates to the food processor. I'm sure you guessed it, but this is going to bind the mixture. So we're just gonna put a 1/2 cup of nuts. Oh shoot. 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup, if you will. Okay, then we need a 1/4 cup of coconut. I'm guessing this is for sweetness. A little extra because we like coconut. And then 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 1, 2. These chia seeds, they last forever. It's crazy. And the last thing you have to do is add in the juice of 1/2 of an orange. I've been meaning to eat this orange all week and I didn't, so it really worked perfectly for this recipe. Just hope there's no seeds. My hands are strong. And then you're also supposed to use the zest of the orange. Get quite a bit of zest in there. Let's get in a little bit more. Okay, let's food process it. See the texture. We might have to add more juice on low. I'm gonna put it on high because it seems like it's having trouble with the dates. A lot of these chia seeds got stuck. I'm gonna push them back down. Still got some chopping to go. Oh no. Oh no, I think I broke the food processor. Is there a reset button on these things? Oh, it wasn't locked. It wasn't locked in. I didn't break it. Okay. I'm so glad that didn't break. So it's pretty chunked up. This looks pretty good to me. All right, I'm gonna get another plate. It looks nice and sticky. So I have a little bowl. Oh, they're perfect little sticky balls. And then you roll it into a little ball. Look at how cute this is, a little energy ball. So it's okay if it's falling apart slightly before they're refrigerated. Roll them into nice little balls. And obviously I'm reaching into the food processor with the blade still in it. Probably take the blade out if you're doing this. Don't want you to get hurt. Let's take the blade out. Can't wait to try these. It smells really good. And the dates will make them really sweet. Sweet little snack to have. Bring to the beach maybe. Okay, so look how cute this little thing is. So this made 12 little balls. So this nut mix contains peanuts, almonds, pecans, walnuts, pistachios, hazelnuts, and that's it. Oh my God. Oh. They're very good. I could see eating these as a snack every day. You can taste every single flavor. It's amazing. Nutty, sweet, citrusy with the orange. Great combination of flavors. Use any nuts you want. I don't think it matters. Use your favorite nuts. Yum. I can't wait to share these and see what people think. If you try making this recipe, let me know what you think. I really like it, but do you? Thanks for watching. Bye.